morning, children. This lesson is for class 4 for the subject of mathematics, topic numbers. This is submitted to you on 12th of April 2021. Children, today we are going to discuss successor and predecessor, comparison of numbers, then rounding of numbers. So let us start first successor and predecessor. The number that just comes after a number is called its successor. That is, if we have to find the successor of this given number, what we will do, we will just add 1 into it. So on adding 1, what we get? We get 12,374. Now next is predecessor. Predecessor is obtained by subtracting 1. So listen, successor we got by adding 1 and predecessor we got by subtracting 1. So if we have to find the predecessor of this number, what we will do? We will subtract 1 from it. So now let us start what is skip counting. First, how can we do the skip counting by 2? By 2 means we will take the gap between two successive numbers with 2. That is, if we start from 32,385, that is 32,385, and we are doing the skip counting by 2, means every time we will add 2. So what we get? 32,387. Now if we have to find next number to it by skip counting by 2, again what we will do? We will add 1. So what we get? We get 32,389. Clear? Now let us discuss how can we compare the numbers. First of all, children, always keep one thing in your mind. Whenever you have to compare the numbers, first of all, count the number of digits. If the digits are same, like in this example, there are 5 digits, there are also 5 digits. So since the digits are same, so we have to compare these two numbers with the comparison of the digits 1 by 1. But if in case any two numbers are given where the number of digits in one number is more than the number of digits in other number, then it is very clear that the number having more digits will be larger. So now see here in this example, these two numbers have same number of digits. So let us start comparing. 6, here is also 6. Then the second digit is 8, here also 8. Then the third digit is 5 here. Here it is what? It is 3. So we know that 5 is greater than 3. So it means this whole number is greater than this number. Clear? Now let us discuss how can we arrange the given numbers in descending as well as in ascending order. Descending means bigger to smaller, and ascending means smaller to bigger. Now we have been given 3 numbers. So now let us start arranging them in descending order. Descending means start from big. Yes, 9, which is greater than these 2 digits. So this will starting number, that is 9,81,249. Then if we see these 2 numbers, first digit is same, then second is also same. But if we see third digit, there is 2, there is 5. So this is greater. So we will write it first. Then in the last we will write 3,42,189. So now in the next question we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger. So now again there is 5 digits, 6 digits, again 6 digits, but we have to start from smaller number, so we will start from these 2. This is 90,871 and this is 90,872. So 90, 8, 7, 1, 2. So which is bigger? Yes, this one is bigger and this one is smaller. So start from smaller, then bigger. Now out of these 2 numbers, it is very clear that this number is greater than this number. So first of all we will write this number, then in the last we will write this number. Clear, children? Let us discuss how can we make smallest 5 and 6 digit numbers, largest 5 and 6 digit numbers using the given digits. Now we have these 6 digits. Now let us make smallest 6 digit number and the largest 6 digit number. Clear? The condition is this: we can repeat the number of digits. Now since we are writing the smallest number, smallest 6 digit number from these numbers with the condition that repetition is allowed, so let us start first from 1. Now we can write it again and again, that is 6 times, because the condition is given that you may repeat the digits. So we get this number as the smallest 6 digit number. Now if we have to make the largest 6 digit number, we will start with the largest number digit. Clear? Now suppose we have been given these digits, these 6 digits. Now they are saying repetition is not allowed. Not allowed means you cannot repeat any of the digit. Now let us make the smallest one, starting with the smaller. 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. And now the largest 6 digit number is starting from the larger, 9, 7, 6, 4, to 1. Now let us discuss rounding off numbers. Children, sometimes what happens, if someone asks you the price of anything, we don't remember the exact price of that thing. So we just give the idea that this price is near to the exact price. Means we are not sure about the actual cost of that thing. So we just give an roughly idea. So this idea means we round the number. Now rounding may be to the nearest tens, hundred, thousands and so on. So let us start with our topic. First number is 35,924 and let us do the rounding off to nearest tens. Children, listen the steps very carefully. The first step is underline the digit which you have to round off. Now at tens place we have to round off. So let us underline the digit at tens place. That is digit 2. Now second step is what? We will circle the digit which is just next to the underlined digit. Clear? Now, first step was underline the digit which we have to round off. Then just draw the circle against this digit which is just next to the underlined digit. Now we will see this digit. If this digit is less than 5, then there will be no change in the underlined digit. Means we will write it as such, that is 2 only. But if let us suppose we are having this number and we have to round off to nearest tens, that is underline this digit, then circle the digit just next to it. Now since this is not less than 5, this is more than 5. So what we will do, we will just add 1 in the underlined digit. So what we get? 35,903. Now listen very carefully the point I am going to tell you, that once you are done, everything done with the underlined digit, you can what? You will write all the digits after the underlined digit 0. That is, once we are done with the underlined digit, remaining all the digits after underlined digit will become 0 only. Now next number is 7,67,000, that is 10. So now let us round off to nearest 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. What is the next first step? That is underlined it. Then the next step is we will put the circle. Now see, this digit is greater than 5. So what we will do, listen carefully, we will just add 1 in the underlined digit, and then all the rest of digits will become 0 only. That is 7, 7, 0, then 0, 0, 0. means once we are done with the underlined digit, rest all the digits will become what? 0 only. Let us discuss international place value chart. We are having two periods here, that is ones period and then thousands period. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So there is a change which you have to keep in your mind. Now suppose the number is given to us. So how will we read it? Let us start. 846,321. Suppose we are having the number next, that is 987823. First step is to put the commas, that is like this. Now what we will do, we will just do the number name, that is 987,000, sorry, no comma here, 987,823. Clear? Now let us discuss how can we do the place value of the digits in the given number. So let us start. Suppose we are having this number and we have to find the place value of 7 and 9. First of all, let us write the place: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Clear? Now we have to find its place value. Place value of any digit is equals to digit, that is the face value, into its place, that is thousands place. So what we get? We get 9,000. Clear? Now let us discuss how can we write the numeral for 603,509. First of all, whenever you will write the numeral form, what we will do, we will write the places first: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. Clear? Now 603,509. So 603,509. Clear? Now children, some homework I am giving to you. You have to try 1.4567 in your maths notebook. Children, the questions which you can do in the book, do in the book. Otherwise, no need to do the questions which you have already done in the book, in the notebook. Thank you, children.